Hello viewers, you are welcome to Daylight Crib Network. On Daylight Crib Network, I make videos majorly on how to earn online. So on this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to complete your task on UP. You know, UP is a platform is just like InSme. So they pay for completing some few tasks or simple tasks, which is posting of pictures on your social media. So I'm going to take you guys on how to get the task done. So and also they also pay for their rebate system, which is their referral program. The way InSme pays, that's also almost the same way they also pay on their referral program. So this right now, what I want to tell you is that one good thing about this new work is that they pay you. If at all you are not an upgraded member, you can withdraw. You can withdraw your any earnings. As far as up to $3, that's the minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw it. So once you have up to $3, you can withdraw it. So right now, let me take you on how to complete their task. So once you log in, you get the first page. Once you get to this page, for you to complete your task, you click repeat task. After clicking that, if you are not upgraded, you click V0. Right now, if you click V0, it will take you to a page like this. So let me not go there now because I'm on V1. So I've upgraded to their first VIP. So right now I'm going to click the mission or the task, one task from here now. So you click one task. So when you get to this place, all you need to do, copy the content. Then the next thing, you download or you click save picture. After doing that, the picture will get downloaded. After downloading it, you click receive. The reason why it's showing this your member is not is because I've completed my task for today. So because of that, I cannot complete them now. So, but if you click receive, if you are not completed that task will be received. So right now, what you are going to do, the next step right now is for you to go to your social media account like this, and upload that picture that was downloaded. So you upload it right now. So next, you click next or next again. Then the concept or the text that you copied, so you paste it here. Then after that, share it. So right now, let's wait for that for it to get finished. So after, let's wait for the thing to upload. Good. So it has been uploaded. The next step right now is for you to screenshot. So I'm taking the screenshot now. So good. So everything, the time and everything is showing there. What you're going to do, go back to your UWork app or your browser. So once you go back, you click back. What you are going to do, you go back to the first page or you go back to the first page, this page. Go back. Once you get to this page, don't miss it. Once you get to this page, what you are going to do is to click. You see this box here? It's not this one that has 3 lines on it, but this one that has something like arrow. You click it. Yeah. After clicking it, it will show you the task that you received. So once it shows you the task that you received, you click the task. Then it will show you it will show you a place where you'll be able to upload the screenshots that you screenshotted. Yes. The reason why now is showing no data available is because I have completed my task today. So I have submitted all my tasks. So if you have not submitted all yours and you just started, you follow the process. Yours is going to show something here. So once it shows that task, you are going to click it, then upload that picture, then submit it. After submitting it, wait for like 30 to 1 hour for it to be approved. So that's it. That's how to complete the task. If you need other questions, but please just try and follow these steps, because this guide I gave to you is actually nice. I think this is teachable. At least this one you be able to understand it. So please, thank you for watching my video. But before you leave this site, I will appreciate it if you upgrade. So if you subscribe to my channel, please. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. As for those that have not registered, I'm going to drop my referral link below. Click it and register. After registering, you watch this video again to know the process on how to complete your task. Remember what I told you before. If at all you are not an upgraded member, you can earn and you can also withdraw. My friend that did not upgrade, the guy has not upgraded, he have already withdrew his earnings. So you can withdraw your earnings even without upgrading. But it's still good to upgrade because that's better. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you love this video, please share it to those that need it. There are so many people there that are looking for this opportunity. Please share this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much for watching this video.